Hey, good afternoon. This is Chris Kirtley from Coastal Chevrolet Cadillac in Pawleys Island. Today I want to feature the all-new, all-electric Cadillac Lyriq. It is the 23 and 24 model. If you come around to the front, it will greet you with a light show. And it will light up the Cadillac iconic emblem. Go out. And this is resemblance of nature as of a waterfall. So if we walk around to the side, it is, like I said, all electric. It's got a one push button for charging. So this is where you would put your charger in. And to go up. This has 340 horsepower. It's got a range of 312 miles on a single charge. If you notice, there are no door handles. It is a push only. Very cool. And then you just pull this out and that opens the door. Do that for both as well. An interesting feature on this too is it does have a safety feature, so your hands do not get trapped in there. So it will come out. It will not let you close it until you pull it open. It rides on 20-inch Michelin tires. And it says the Cadillac designers indicated that they took some cues off of the late 1950s Cadillac Eldorado. And if you notice, the fin in the back resembles one of those iconic Cadillac Fleetwoods. In order to get in the back, I had a tutorial video earlier of how to get into the rear hatch. This is exactly the same. You can see the iconic Cadillac emblem on the floor. You also have it on the key fob, and this is an interesting feature. You just press the Cadillac emblem, and there you have the spacious back. This is a two-seater, 2 rows of seats. You have storage back in here. Comes with a quick charger. So plenty of storage, plenty of space. Cargo cover here. Press that back down. And this also has all the parking sensors, all the safety features as all the other Cadillacs. This also has a light show in the rear as well. All right, so here we are inside the luxurious cabin of the Cadillac Lyriq. As you can see, it's got a 33-inch continuous screen. It is curved. It's got all of the touch point features on here. It's got your stats. It's got your mileage. It's got your charge, all your phone information, your audio, all your settings, parking assist. Old school, kind of went back with a little bit of the throwback, but it's got the gear shift up here, the gear lever. So we'll simply put this in drive and off we go. This car is also equipped with the Super Cruise, which gives you a driving experience like no other. It will self-propel and drive. This bar lights up into green. It's got a camera right here that makes sure that you keep your eyes on the road as well. So right off the bat, you kind of just feel the quietness, the ride. It's got great acceleration. Just effortless to get up to speed. So you have the 33-inch screen, like I mentioned. This is your XM radio, so you can actually go through all of your channels. You have a mouse right here that just moves through all of your channels. You can do and choose your favorites as well, just like on the other car. You have a volume button here, and then you also have a volume button up here on the steering wheel. So you have different methods of controlling. Cadillac's very good at the touch screen, then the mouse as well, or you can actually touch the buttons for the heating and cooling and the climate. So just a one press. It's got the dual sync on here. If you're passenger wants it cooler, I want it hotter, or vice versa, you can always do that as well. This car does have heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats. All those controls are over here on the side. They have moved from the traditional down here to the seat. They've got them now located all up in here on the door panel. So all of your controls for all your doors are an easy touch for both the passenger and the driver. These seats are amazing. They also have massaging seats. So you've got a couple different levels of the rollers that will actually massage your back. So very cool feature, and on long trips you can actually turn the heated seats on, get the massage. Feels like you're at the spa. So all your controls are on the steering wheel. You have paddle shifters here, and you also have a one pedal driving, and you can go into the screen and actually one pedal drive. That simply means if you have your foot on the accelerator and if you lay off, it will regenerate and actually charge the battery and also slow your car down, and that never stops, so you don't have to use the brake. This car is equipped with all the safety features. You have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, you have lane departure, you've got parking assist. This vehicle will actually park itself. It will parallel park as well as back into a spot when you have two cars around you. So very cool feature. You got plenty of just space, plenty of storage. The cup holders up here, you know, hey, I can put my Yeti up here, but what about my coffee mug? Cadillac's come up with a clever way to incorporate that. You simply press the button, and now your handle goes in here, and you can enjoy your cup of coffee with a handle with your mug. To get that back up, you press the button. You have storage in here. You have wireless phone charging, so just simply put your phone in and it will charge. So here we brought up the navigation system. You can see what such a big screen this is. So you know, if you're like me that can't hardly see, you can use this, and just a one-touch finger, you can plug in all your favorite locations, your destinations. So it's going to do a turn-by-turn as well. So like I said, more storage on here. You've got the lift-up center console. You also have a neat shelf here, so it's a one push, and that will open up, and you have storage in here. It's almost like a dresser drawer, and then it's just one touch in here. You can press, and you can keep all your valuables or whatever you want in there. You also have storage underneath the center console as well. So a lot of storage space, well thought out. Garage door openers. It's got memory seating as well. Most of this is going to be a touch screen. The lights, to turn those on, there's actually not a traditional knob to turn on your lights on and off. It is a simple touch screen. And you have an off button, you have an auto button. You can do your fog lamps or your lights. So it's just a simple one touch on the dash. This does have Apple and Android CarPlay. It also runs through Google as well, so you've got a lot of options there. And the screen is just incredible. It's got ambient lighting screen on here where you can change the lighting to an array of different colors. You notice here it's got lights that'll light up inside, all your ambient lighting underneath the dash. It's got lighting, so you can change that to blue hues, red hues, you know, purples, pinks, whatever your favorite color is or whatever you want to look at. So it's a very cool feature. Now I want you to imagine sitting yourself in this new awesome Cadillac all-electric Lyriq and enjoying your cooled seats, your massaging seats, driving down Ocean Boulevard with the panoramic roof. Go to your ambient lighting. You can customize that to whatever mood you're in. Let's go with a blue color and do our complete surround sound. We can do front, we can do rear. Listening to all your favorite tunes, enjoying this incredible vehicle. So we've taken that drive on that Cadillac Lyriq, and now I know you're wondering, where do I get one? How do I get one? How do I order one? So it's a very simple process. You can come down to the dealership. I'd be glad to talk you through that. Or you can also do it at home. So what you're going to do is go to Cadillac.com, choose the vehicle. This is the Lyriq. So we're going to click onto that. And we are going to build and price. So this will walk you through all of your options, colors, interior, features. So you have the tech package, the luxury package, or the sport package. You can click on any of those options you want. Simply go to next. These are the trim levels. So if you want a Sport 1, is rear wheel mode, Sport 2, Sport 3. Next will be the exterior. So we have some great colors over here. We've got argent silver, we've got an emerald lake metallic, which are, some of these colors are very unique to the Lyriq. So you choose what color you would like. Next up will be wheels. So we'll go with the 22-inch wheels that comes with the Sport. You can see that they're blacked out. This is the interior. So if you want whatever interior you want. Other packages, you can get floor liners, you can get more lights that light up, a front license plate bracket, cargo nets, any of these, and then you just go simply to next is the summary. This will give you the pricing all the way down, all your options. You can simply save it, print it, or send it, and you can pick that up here at Coastal Cadillac and Pawleys Island. And like I said, you can actually do it in person, come down, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through that process. Thanks and have a great day.